Hey, welcome back to Cooking with Chang. Today is the day of salad fans since we're gonna make green mango salad with shrimps. I have ingredients include fresh shrimps, peanuts, garlic, onions, shrimp chips, 1 sour mango, carrot, mint. For seasonings, I have sugar, pepper, oil, and fish sauce. Now let's get started by peeling off the skin of onions and garlic and chop them fine. For purple onions, we cut into slices. Chop garlic into pieces as small as possible. And we're gonna do the same with chili. For the chili part, just add as much as you can eat. Now I'm peeling off the skins of shrimps. Then seasoning them with some garlic and fish sauce and leave them there for a few minutes. While waiting, I'm making the sauce for the salad. It includes some garlic, chili, then sugar and fish sauce. Since the mango we are using is a sour one, so we should add some sugar to balance the taste. Leave it there. Now we start with another thing. We're gonna roast peanuts. I chose the raw ones and I'm roasting on my own. Make sure that you roast them in the medium heat. Leave them there for cooling off. While waiting, we're gonna fry the purple onions. Fry them until they get brown and remove them from the oil. We just keep the onions. Now we're gonna fry the shrimps using the rest of the garlic. After turning off the heat, we add some black pepper. Next step is frying the shrimp chips. Since they're pretty fast blossoming, so make sure that you can take care of all of them. So just fry a few at once. Keep turning them around to make sure that they all get cooked equally. Don't forget to use only medium heat. Now I'm peeling off the skin of the green mango and carrots. I especially like the razor I'm using now for salad, since it's really useful for cutting the mango, carrots, or even cucumbers. As you see, they turned stripes easily. Now time for some mint. We just need the leaves. Peanuts are cooled off now, so we're gonna remove the skin. When you roast them, anytime you can smell them and you see the skin turns brown, that's when they're ready. Now I'm making them become smaller pieces. Now everything is ready for mixing. I'm mixing the mango and the carrot together. Then I'll add the sauce we prepared earlier. And then the purple onions that we already fried. Then tear the mint into smaller pieces. Mix all of them well. Time to put them into a plate. I like to see how colorful it is now, with the green mango, the carrot, and the mint. And I can already smell the purple onions and fish sauce as well. Now shrimps on the top. Then the shrimp chips. The last thing is the peanut. Put them on the top of the salad. Now it's ready for eating. You eat the chips and the salad all together. Hope you enjoyed my video today. And see you guys next time. Bye.